$2 here to here. Right through it.
That counts as a fire.
Yeah. Oh, loud environment. The batteries were low, so overnight we reset everything. And so I'm hoping that this thing can fire up kind of quickly without any help. Give you guys that genuine, it's alive moment. I know it's alive. We all know it's alive, but there's a fluke and then there's actually running. We could have stopped this video already, but I'm determined to give you guys proof without a shadow of a doubt that we can make the 12 rotor run.